Cancer. Listen carefully. This is not random. If you are here, it is because something is shifting in your emotional world. Someone from your past or someone who pulled away is thinking about you more than you know. The energy around you is not quiet. It is active. There is movement behind the scenes. This reading is about comeback energy, not fantasy, not wishful thinking, real emotional movement. We will look at what they are feeling, what is pushing them, what is blocking them, and what you need to understand before anything happens. You will gain clarity on why they are restless now, what changed inside them, whether this return is stable or temporary, and how you should respond. Cancer, you are emotional, but you are not weak. You feel deeply, but you also remember everything. So if someone comes back, you will not just melt. You will observe. Take what resonates. Leave what does not. This is general, but the emotions coming through are strong. Let's begin. The first card opening your story is Five of Cups. This card shows regret that has been building quietly. This is not surface sadness. This is someone replaying moments in their head late at night. They remember specific conversations, specific reactions. They think about one sentence you said and how they answered wrong, that kind of detail. Regret like this grows stronger when silence stretches, and silence has stretched here. Psychologically, they are dealing with disappointment in themselves. Not just losing you, but losing how you saw them. You respected them once, you trusted them. Now they question if they damage that image permanently. That realization hurts their ego, but it also softens it. They are less defensive than before. Emotionally, they miss the emotional comfort you gave. Cancer energy feels like home. They miss being understood without explaining everything. They miss your emotional availability. That absence feels heavy. It feels like something important is missing from their daily life. In real life, this shows someone watching from a distance first, checking your status, maybe typing a message and deleting it, asking subtle questions through mutual contacts. Regret is active, but courage is still building. The second card is the High Priestess. This card speaks about unspoken emotions. There were feelings that were never fully expressed, either from them or from you. Something stayed under the surface, and now that silence is louder than words. Psychologically, they feel the intuitive pull. Even if they act normal outside, internally they sense the bond is not finished. They may dream about you, think about you at random times, feel emotional waves they cannot logically explain. Emotionally, they see you differently now. More reserved, more mysterious. Maybe you stopped over-explaining. That change makes them realize they cannot read you as easily anymore, and that uncertainty makes them nervous. In real life, this card shows subtle signs before direct action, random memories resurfacing, small interactions that feel meaningful. You may also feel their energy before they speak. Trust that. Cancer intuition is rarely wrong. The third card is Page of Cups. This is soft apology energy. This is not dramatic or loud. It is careful, almost shy, like someone testing water with their toes before jumping in. Psychologically, they are afraid of rejection, so they will not come in aggressively. They will start small, a light message, a neutral topic. They will watch your tone closely. Every reply matters to them more than they show. Emotionally, there is genuine care here. This is not manipulation energy. It is immature in expression. Yes, but the feelings are real. They still feel tenderness when they think of you. In real life, expect a message that feels simple on the surface, but read between lines. If they ask about your well-being, it is because they still feel connected. They are hoping you have not closed the door fully. The fourth card is the Chariot. Now we see movement. Once they decide, they move quickly. This card is strong, determined energy. It is about overcoming internal conflict. Psychologically, they are fighting pride and fear at the same time. Pride says stay silent. Fear says you might lose her forever. When fear of loss becomes stronger than pride, action happens. Emotionally, urgency builds. They may feel like time is running, especially if they sense you pulling back or focusing on yourself. They do not want to be replaced. That thought pushes them forward. In real life, after hesitation, there can be sudden direct communication. A clear message. maybe even asking to meet. This is not lazy energy. When this card activates, effort becomes visible. The fifth card opening this part is Nine of Swords. This is anxiety that keeps someone awake at night. Overthinking. Worst-case scenarios playing again and again. They imagine you moving on. They imagine you not responding. They imagine you cold and distant. Their mind is not peaceful. Psychologically, guilt and fear are mixing together. When a person truly does not care, they sleep peacefully. But this energy shows mental disturbance. They question their past behavior. They analyze what they could have done differently. It is exhausting them. Emotionally, they feel vulnerable but do not know how to admit it. Especially if this is someone who normally acts strong or detached. Inside, they feel exposed. They are scared you saw their flaws clearly. In real life, this can show restless actions, random late-night messages, sudden emotional confessions, or even mood swings when they finally speak. Understand this. Anxiety makes people impulsive sometimes. The sixth card is Two of Cups. This is mutual connection, not one-sided, not illusion. There was real emotional exchange here, real bonding, real understanding. Psychologically, they know this connection was rare. It was not casual. It had emotional depth. They compare it to other interactions and feel the difference clearly. Emotionally, this is where longing grows stronger. They miss the emotional rhythm between you both. The comfort, the way conversations flowed, the shared humor or shared silence. In real life, this card shows possibility of reconciliation if both sides stay open. But here is the truth. Balance matters. If only one person keeps giving, it will fail again. Mutual effort is the key. The seventh card is Ten of Wands. This person is carrying emotional burden, responsibilities, stress, maybe external pressure, and sometimes they use that as excuse for emotional avoidance. Psychologically, they felt overwhelmed before. Instead of communicating clearly, they withdrew or acted distant. That created misunderstanding. Now they realize that shutting down created bigger problems. Emotionally, they feel heavy, not only because of life stress, but because losing you added extra weight. They feel tired of pretending everything is fine. In real life, this card shows someone wanting relief. They may open up about their stress this time instead of hiding it. But watch carefully. Are they truly ready to handle responsibility? Or just tired and seeking comfort? The final card is Queen of Cups. Cancer, this is you. This card shows emotional maturity. You are no longer reacting from pure emotion. You are observing, feeling deeply, yes, but also protecting your peace. Psychologically, you have grown. You are not the same version they left. You are softer but stronger. You listen to your intuition more. You do not chase, you allow. Emotionally, you still care, but now you require emotional safety. You are not desperate for attention. You want depth or nothing. In real life, the power is in your response, not their action. You decide the outcome. If they return, you set tone. Calm, balanced, no overgiving. This comeback energy is real, but it is testing both of you. Affirmation: I am emotionally wise. I attract honest effort. I accept only what feels safe and balanced for me. If you want personal guidance, deeper clarity on this specific person, or timing, I do one-on-one sessions. My private readings and membership are open right now. Details are in description.